Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to use AI to write YouTube scripts. So, let's get started. Writing the script in this fast-paced world has never been difficult, as AI has taken over control of all of that, including writing scripts, voiceovers, and creating compelling content. These AI tools can help you write a compelling script within minutes. So, in this video, we will explore two AI tools for writing scripts. The first AI tool is ChatGPT. Open your web browser and visit chat.openai.com. The link is provided in the description. Then create an account if you haven't already. In ChatGPT, type the prompt for writing the script on the topic you wish to create content about. For example, type this prompt: write a script for a video on the topic Top 10 Most Expensive Sneakers in the World. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will start the process. And there you have it. ChatGPT has provided us with the best script in a short time. Please note that this information is accurate as of before 2021. For updated information, you will need to subscribe to the plan for GPT-4. Now let's explore the second tool, Google Gemini. Open your web browser and visit gemini.google.com. The link is provided in the description. Next, create an account if you haven't already. Here also type the same prompt as we entered in ChatGPT, such as write a script for a video on the topic Top 10 Most Expensive Sneakers in the World, and there you have it. Gemini successfully wrote the script within a matter of minutes. Feel free to try these AI tools by provided links in the description. Now, to make this script more natural, we need to create an engaging hook that will describe the highlights in less than 1 minute. So here in Gemini, type a prompt to create a hook for this video script. And that's it. Gemini has successfully created a hook for our video. Now copy this script and paste it into Google Docs. Then format the text according to your requirements. Now let's talk about checking plagiarism. In Google, search for Check Plagiarism, and you can find several websites for checking plagiarism. Click on any website. Here, paste the script. Then click on Check Plagiarism. The processing will start, and this may take a short time, and that's it. You can see our script is 100% unique, so feel free to use it for your videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. Thanks for watching.